faster than it ever has. Faster even than when I dropped to one knee on the harbor in Hong Kong. Our year has thrown just about everything it could at us and more. But here we stand, stronger than ever. And of course, more challenges lie ahead, but with you by my side, bring it on. You are fierce, yet tender and empathetic, wild and unique. Your clever and truly one-of-a-kind sense of humor bring me more joy than anything else in this world. You are majestically beautiful on the outside and to your very core. But most importantly, you are always you. Even the most routine of days with you is never boring. Yet you take that which needs to be taken seriously, very seriously. I vow to prioritize and protect you and our family, to help carry whatever may burden you, to communicate or seek help when I need it, and to seek to understand your perspective in times of conflict. I vow to keep us young at heart, to keep life fun and free-spirited. I vow to remain ever committed and attentive to this beautiful partnership we have built with love, sweat, and tears. Andrea, I'm so excited to start the rest of our life today.
I spent so much time growing up wondering who my future husband would be and what he would be like. I had no idea for so long that he was right in front of me. I could never have imagined the depths my heart could reach, but thinking back, it's like part of me always knew. He stayed with me in my heart all those years when I didn't think I could measure up. Inside me will always live a little 12-year-old girl with a crush on the cutest boy in class. You understand me when I don't understand myself. I wish I could see myself the way you see me, and I wish you could see yourself through my eyes. I feel like a planet orbiting my sun. The gravity I feel towards you, it's physical and timeless. You've been my rock, the person who's helped my dreams come true, and reminds me to keep on dreaming when I don't feel like I can. You're the person I turn to when I don't know what to do or where to go. You've stood by me through distance and through time. You stood by me even through the hardest moments. You're always the one to fight for us and to remind me why our love is worth fighting for. I promise to remember and honor our roots. I promise to be playful and to make you laugh, to appreciate when you treat me like a queen and to treat you like my king. I promise to always be honest. I promise to give myself completely and not hold anything back. I promise to always work through the hard times and to celebrate the good times. And I promise that I am yours and you are mine from this day until the end of my days, from this day until my last day.
By the power vested in me by the state of Washington, and as a major fan of you two as a couple, it is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. Dominic, you can finally kiss your bride. Friends and family, I invite you to stand and share in the excitement as I introduce to you for the first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Dominic and Andrea Barrera.
She brings out the best in him. And a major part of his success in life is his love. Whatever he does, I know he does for them as a couple. I see the magic in their relationship, which really is the most important thing in life.
Andrea and Dominic, you nailed it. I mean, you found the right person. She said to me once that I was her best friend. We got gold. So lift your glasses to the couple of the year.
I was asking Dominic, what does he like about Andrea? Just wanted to know how he feels about her, and what he said was that to him she is the perfect partner. When Andrea just is there for you, she's there for you. You elevate one another into sophistication and grace. And I'm looking forward to spending time watching our kids have the same kinds of adventures that we've been. To your travel buddy, to your adventuring pal, to the rest of your lives, everybody raise a glass. May your lives be filled with the same warmth, openness, kindness, friendship, and sharing that you have shared with me for my entire life. And for tonight, the night of your wedding, Carpe Noctem.
have a few thank yous to get through today. My heart is so full. I'm so thankful to everybody who's here, but I also want to raise a toast to those who couldn't be here with us today.
Yes.
Which includes so many family members
Yes.
and dear lifelong friends. You are so missed and not at all forgotten. Cheers to you. Of course, this Dream Wedding remix almost couldn't happen without all of your help. It only came together because every single person here jumped at the chance to help us out. So cheers to you. Thank you all.